Basket trucks from Uline allow you to easily transport dry or wet materials, such as packages, laundry and towels, and are ideal for use in hospitality, healthcare, manufacturing, housekeeping, and food service. With 8 sizes ranging from 6 to 24 bushels, basket trucks from Uline can handle small to large loads with ease. And with 6 color options, you can easily color code each truck by building, department, or content. 6, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20 bushel basket trucks fit easily through standard doorways, while 24 bushel trucks require larger commercial doorways. Uline basket trucks are available in 2 materials: vinyl, which is mold, mildew, UV and tear resistant, and heavy-duty canvas, which is strong and abrasion resistant. Our Made in the USA basket trucks feature a durable, kiln-dried hardwood base and 2-inch seam welds that provide added strength to the truck's frame, helping it handle loads up to 800 pounds. The tapered body design allows trucks to be nested for compact storage and shipping. And each basket truck has 4 non-marking polyurethane swivel casters that roll smoothly and quietly over all surfaces. Each truck features loop handles at both ends to help maneuver and control trucks in transit, as well as a convenient document pocket for storage. With the optional vinyl-covered spring lift platform that raises and lowers, truck contents can be kept at a convenient height, reducing worker fatigue and potential back injury. Optional basket truck covers and liners are also available. Vinyl covers are easy to use with an elastic hem and are ideal for keeping contents clean and out of sight. Canvas and vinyl replacement liners are available in all colors and sizes to keep carts in use for years. Our complete line of basket trucks and accessories are made in the USA and are in stock, fully assembled, and ready for immediate shipping from any of our strategic locations in North America. Whatever your material handling needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.